Happy New Year to all of you tuning in to this video. Welcome to the first ever unboxing and review of the Monster Jam series made by Spin Master. And we're gonna start it off with the legendary Grave Digger. Let's go ahead, turn it around to the back of the box. It says Race Them All, True Metal. Up top, Monster Jam Authentic. Let's take a look at the trucks. El Toro Loco, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Megalodon. Pirate's Curse, Wonder Woman, Bounty Hunter, and Max D, Maximum Destruction. So there is also, like how Hot Wheels did, they had a mini series of the trucks. And so Grave Digger is in the Legacy trucks. Look, you get a little figure as well. Choose the winner. It is an accurate 1/64th scale Monster Jam truck. You contents: one truck, one figure, and one poster. I really like how they did the boxing for this all-new series of the Monster Jam logo up top. Although the two ears at the two sides kind of get a little bit bent, and so you can't do too much about that. Let's go ahead. I also like how they have that all new 2019 sticker on the left side, and then a real fancy sticker on the right hand side of the Monster Jam Authentic. I think I'll just have to unbox it up here. A little bit different than how Hot Wheels did it, but hey, that's okay. Wow. Incredible. Let's go ahead, take this out, set that there. Here's the mini figure. Gotta find out how to do all this. Here we go with the mini figure of Grave Digger. Set him right there. Well, I should bring him up close. There we go. Grave Digger, his hand raised, helmet on. Looks like he has the Monster Jam symbol on the back of his fire suit. And let's get this poster out and see what it's all about. And we have a little card here. So, problems and questions. There we go, spinmaster.com, and telephone number as well, if you need it. Here's poster. This is pretty cool. Oh yeah. Not too sure how I can show you this. I'm gonna do the best I can. There we go. We have Max D, legendary trucks. There's Creepy Creatures, Pirate's Curse, and El Toro Loco, and Creatures. Crazy Creatures is in Megalodons, and Crazy Creatures. Danger Divas. Wonder Woman is gonna be in there. There's Grave Digger Legacy Trucks. Monster Mutt Dalmatian, the Rough Crowd. Bounty Hunter Arena Favorites. There is also Everyday Heroes, Soldier of Fortune, Creepy Crushers, Zombie, Legacy Trucks, Son of a Digger, and then the double packs are gonna be called Double Down Showdown. There's Dragon with Jester with the purple body. Blue Thunder with storm damage. Make sure I get all of this. There we have Gravedigger with Wildflower. She's coming out. Well, she is already out, depending upon where you live in the United States. There's Brodozer and Gas Monkey Garage. Same thing, it depends on where you're at in the United States. All of this is already out. Let's see the poster. I like that poster. I have to maybe put it back here so you can see. It has Gravedigger, Max D, Megalodon, El Toro Loco, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, and Dragon. Let me get a better shot of this for you. So that's the poster that came with it. Let's check out Gravedigger. That's why we're here. Well, one of the biggest reasons, right? The Bkt tires. It has Bkt on each side of the tire, and also a little edginess, I would say, around the tire that looks exactly like a Bkt tire. It has green wheels. Usually on the truck it has a green rim, but they just have a whole green wheel. It looks okay. Pretty cool. A whole green chassis. The motor and the headers coming down is all one piece of the truck. I would have liked to seen this a different color or material, so that the truck would look, that the motor would be a separate piece with the chassis. But hey, that's not too bad. A lot of flex in the to be able to move it left and right. Let's go ahead and look at the paint job of Gravedigger. It has the United States Hot Rod Association sticker. There's Gravedigger, the different tombstones and everything like that. How it should look. There you go. Now, I believe on the real truck, these purple lines, I don't know if they go out as many as here on the truck. I could be mistaken. Here's the front of the truck. And up top, those flames. On the opposite side, I think this looks pretty cool. It helps to separate the green chassis with everything else is that silver plate that the sponsors would be on. And it looks like every truck also has a Willie Bar. I could be mistaken, but this Gravedigger has a Willie Bar. Here's the back of the truck, so you can see the Willie Bar, and then you have, this is one piece. Hopefully you can see the motor in the back. I don't know if I turn it like this so you can see in there. You can see the motor a little bit. There you go. It's in there. What would really help was if they didn't have that there, but it's just there for, you know, for the die-cast body to be on there. Up top, the Gravedigger, the flames, bad to the bone. And yeah, this is heavier compared to a Hot Wheels Gravedigger. Look who's sitting in the driver's seat. That's awesome. They have a driver in there instead of just an empty seat. You can see him through the windshield. That's good. The roll cage, you can also see the roll cage, just like the inside the truck, and also in the back there, kind of his seat back there, but also the roll cage. Let's go ahead, check out underneath. You don't need a special tool to take this apart, which is really cool for customizers out there. So you can have just a regular screwdriver and take it out. So there we have it, the first unboxing of the Spin Master series for the new Monster Jam series. Look at that, I just put that guy up there, I guess. Not too sure what to do with him, but yeah. Awesome, thank you for tuning in, and there will be more on the way. Since this is my first unboxing of the Spin Master Monster Jam trucks, I wanted to show you some differences between the Hot Wheels version and the Spin Master version of Digger. Now this will be on all of them, which is the length of the truck. I have the back wheels lined up correctly, so you can see that the Spin Master version is a little bit longer compared to the Hot Wheels version, as well as the body of the truck also, which makes sense. Now here on the left hand side you can see that the Gravedigger, everything looks like it's all compacted, and on the Spin Master version they have more room and everything, which really looks better. Now the body is also a tad wider, so it looks better. The chassis is a little bit different, which would be, you know, normal, coming from a different company, a different take of these die-cast trucks. So you can see the differences in the chassis of the truck. So there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to this bonus feature here on the first unboxing and review of Gravedigger. If you haven't already, please subscribe and leave a comment, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button.